Hello all, welcome to Prashanti. This is Brinda. In today's new arrivals, we are going to see your most favorite collection. It's going to be Chanderi silk cotton saris. All these saris are priced between 3000 to 3700. Chanderi silk cottons are usually a mix of silk by cotton. The saris that we are going to see today will carry beautiful antique Banarasi borders and also very pretty prints on these saris. These saris will come mostly in earthen colors with very subtle prints, very classy to carry for work and for simple occasions. All these saris have to be dry cleaned for the first time. After that, you can carefully hand wash these saris at home. All these saris will come with a self-matching or a contrast blouse with rich Banarasi border. You can go for a nice patterned blouse with an elbow sleeve which will perfectly blend with this type of sari. We undertake custom tailoring, fall and edging and embroidery. If you wish to get your blouses done, there's an option available right at the cart page. You can click that. You can also reach out to our customer support team. We'll be more than happy to help you with your blouses. First one for today, coffee brown, a very pretty color with antique Banarasi borders on either sides. This has got beautiful floral prints running throughout the sari. That's the pallu, printed pallu along with antique Banarasi woven style. A plain blouse in coffee brown, priced at 3060. Mustard, a very classy and a rich sari with antique floral Banarasi borders on either sides. The body has got very subtle prints along with tree of life motifs woven in antique gold running all over the body. That's the pallu, antique zari woven pallu with prints. A plain blouse in mustard, priced at 3760. Another beautiful sari in deep jamun color with contrast antique zari woven borders short and long on either sides. This has got very pretty kalamkari style prints running all over the body. A short pallu with simple antique zari lines. A self-printed blouse in deep jamun color, priced at 3090. Green, one more beautiful sari with rich floral antique zari woven borders on either sides. Very pretty and subtle prints along with floral antique zari woven buttas running throughout the body. That's the pallu, antique Banarasi style pallu. A subtly printed blouse in green, priced at 3760. Orange and red, one more beautiful color with geometric vertical prints running throughout the body with contrast rich antique borders in red on either sides. That's the pallu, printed pallu with rich zari woven pattern. A contrast blouse in red, priced at 3060. Beige with black and red, another beautiful sari with short Banarasi contrast borders on either sides. The body has got very pretty all over prints running throughout the sari. That's the pallu, short pallu. Contrast blouse in red, priced at 3060. Green, one more beautiful color with antique zari woven borders on either sides. This has got geometric prints running throughout the sari. A short pallu with prints and zari woven pattern. Plain blouse in bottle green, priced at 3060. Mustard with red, one more beautiful color with contrast borders and all over prints running throughout the sari. That's the pallu, printed pallu along with antique zari woven pattern. Plain blouse in red, priced at 3060. Maroon, one more beautiful color with antique Banarasi borders and all over prints running throughout the sari. A very classy and a rich Banarasi style pallu, that's the pallu. A brocade blouse in maroon, priced at 3350. Black and brown, a stunning sari with Banarasi borders and antique zari. The body has got very pretty all over prints with antique zari woven buttas running along the sari. That's the pallu, printed pallu. A plain blouse in black, priced at 3760. Navy blue, another pretty color with rich antique borders and body buttas. All over prints running throughout the sari. Very rich and classy. A simple pallu with prints. Plain blouse in navy blue, priced at 3760. Mehendi green, one more beautiful color with short and long antique borders, all over prints in floral pattern running throughout the sari. A printed pallu, that's the pallu. A self-printed blouse in mehendi green, priced at 3060. Pink and magenta, one more beautiful sari, a very different style with simple piping zari border on the top part of the sari with beautiful zari checked pattern along with antique zari woven border along the bottom part of the sari. The body has got floral antique zari buttas running across the sari with beautiful geometric prints along the border. This has got a rich zari and a printed pallu. A contrast brocade blouse, priced at 3760. Bottle green with navy blue, another beautiful color combination with antique floral zari woven borders on either sides. This has got vertical style floral prints running throughout the sari. That's the pallu, short pallu with prints. A contrast plain blouse in navy blue, priced at 3,060. Mustard with maroon, one more pretty color with short and long Banarasi borders and antique zari. The body has got very pretty bandhani style prints running throughout the sari in double color mustard and maroon. That's the pallu, short pallu. A contrast self-printed blouse in maroon, priced at 3,060. Black with red, an abstract pattern with box prints running all over the body, rich and contrast Banarasi borders with antique zari weaving on either sides. A printed pallu, short pallu with simple zari woven pattern. A self-printed blouse in red, priced at 3,060. Rust orange, one more beautiful sari with beige combination. This has got all over prints with very pretty kalamkari style floral motifs across the body in box style with contrast Banarasi borders in selvage and rustic brown. That's the pallu, short pallu. A contrast self-printed blouse, priced at 3,060. Off-white with black, a stunning sari with Banarasi borders, beautiful vertical style prints running throughout the sari. That's the pallu, simple pallu with zari lines. A subtly printed blouse in black, priced at 3,060. Orange with mustard, one more beautiful sari with short antique borders on either sides, all over floral prints running throughout the body. A contrast rich antique zari woven pallu. Rich brocade blouse in mustard, priced at 3,350. Peacock blue, the last one for today, with rich Banarasi borders, vertical style geometric prints running all over the body, a printed pallu with simple zari line weaving, plain blouse in peacock blue, priced at 3,060. All these saris are available in our website. We have uploaded 500 plus saris only from today's collection. To buy these saris, please log on to www.prashantisarees.com. You can also download our app that's available in both iOS and Android. Thank you for watching this video. Have an enriching shopping experience at Prashanti.